Let's move on now to something that I think is a great idea, the LG Tone-Free FP9 TWS. The main thing that you're going to love this is the fact that this is the most hygienic pair of TWS earbuds ever. So I'll explain that to you. Small circular charging case has a soft silk matte finish. The earbuds themselves are small, very comfortable to use, medical grade silicone made ear tips, great with sound. But I'll tell you what is the big deal. The case cleans up the earbuds through ultraviolet light, or keeps them hygienic, keeps them clean. You know, the kind of stuff that is in our ears, you'll be shocked. And in terms of sound, also pretty good. It has 5 different EQ presets. Heavy sound signature still manages to get the details right. So bass heavy is actually good. I think most people really like it. Noise cancellation, not the best, as the earbuds are not very good with isolation. So they may work well, but still a lot of outside noise does filter in.
The LG Tone-Free line of earbuds have been here for a while. They are focused on making sure that the earbuds that spend hours in our ears are actually clean, comfortable and safe enough for use. While it is indeed an important feature, LG did not really perform well on other fronts that make up the entire experience of using the earbuds. But the recently launched LG Tone-Free FP9 is looking much more impressive with a host of new features and a better design. And today we're going to tell you if all the newly added features make it worth buying for that premium price or not. Now, the Tone-Free FP9s come with a small circular case with a soft, silky and matte finish. It looks and feels much better than previous iterations. There is a small LED on the front indicating the battery level of the case. Right below that is a light that lights up when the UV light inside the case is cleaning up the earbuds. On the back is a USB-C port for charging and a switch on the left side that we're going to come back to later. The earbuds themselves are made with the same finish as the case. They have touch-sensitive controls on the stems. They fit in the ears comfortably and feel weightless. The ear tips are made of medical-grade silicone. It's comfortable and safe, but not the best when it comes to isolation. Now, let's talk about what they sound like once they're inside the ears. The sound, tuned by the UK-based audio brand Meridian, is great. It's not the best, but it's better than a lot of the earbuds in that price range and certainly better than the previous iteration of the Tone-Free lineup. By default, the sound signature is more bass-heavy. Even so, the details are still felt quite easily. The treble gets a decent amount of attention, the vocals are clear, the highs are comforting, everything is very well separated, but at the same time, the sound stage does not get that wide. All genres sound great. In the LG Tone-Free app, there are 5 different presets, with the natural preset being the most balanced one. For users who want to tune their own sound, they can make 2 custom presets. Along with the EQ settings, the Tone-Free app can enable features like the whisper mode. With this, the user can take off the right earbud and softly say what they want, using it as a mic, while the left earbud becomes the sole earpiece in situations that require such an arrangement. And a special feature of the case, apart from the UV cleaning of the earbuds themselves, is that it can serve as a wireless audio receiver. Remember the switch we mentioned earlier? Well, once it is flicked, the user can connect the USB-C to a 3.5mm cable that comes in the box and connect it to any headphone jack. The earbuds will get all of the audio from the device that the wire has been connected to, and the case itself acts as the receiver. Pretty handy. Now, another handy feature that is a staple for premium earbuds, good ANC. Due to lack of ideal isolation, the ANC is not the best with these earbuds. They can easily cancel out a lot of low-end frequency, but anything above that can easily find its way to your ears, even with the music playing. As for transparency mode, it is very close to natural. Similar to the ANC, the battery life is not the best either. It is in fact a bit disappointing. While the earbuds themselves have the juice to last for 7 hours with ANC on, the case itself cannot carry enough juice. It can only charge the earbuds 1.5 times over. That is a combined battery life of just 17.5 hours, which is pretty mediocre compared to other earbuds at the same price. So, even with all the new features and upgraded sound in the LG Tone-Free FP9, there are still some core aspects that are lacking. The ANC is average, the battery life is mediocre, the isolation is still lacking. Yes, it is safer, cleaner, and offers that audio receiver switch, but that's not for everyone. So, for the expensive price of 21,990 rupees, it can only be recommended to users looking for exactly the distinct features that it can provide. If these features are not your priority, you will be better off with other options available for this price.